In this video, I'll show you how to change the email linked to your Dropbox account. Start by logging in on your computer and heading to your home page. In the top right corner, click your profile icon. Then select Settings. On the Settings page, make sure you're under the General tab. Next to your current email address, click Edit. Enter your new email carefully. Confirm it and then type in your Dropbox password to verify your identity. Once you click Update Email, Dropbox will send a confirmation link to your new address. Open that email, click the link and your account will be updated instantly. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. And that's it, you have successfully changed your Dropbox email. Keeping your details up to date ensures you don't miss important notifications. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.